Hey, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie to boost your confidence, to increase your cognitive function, to improve your mental well-being. So there's 3 key ingredients in this that's going to help you mentally. I'm going to show you other ingredients that add to it, but there's mainly, the video is mainly about these 3 that I've really come to like, that's really helped me, and I'll tell you about the benefits that I've received, and you can try them for yourself if you'd like. Okay, so I've done a bit of an art attack thing with like, here's one I made earlier. So I'm just going to show you the basis of what the shake is to begin with, then I'll show you the 3 herbal powders that go in there. So we've got chia seeds in there. Chia seeds, 1 tablespoon, great source of omega-3s, very good for the brain. We've got, it's about, I don't know, what do you call it? A pour-in serving of raw milk. Raw milk's actually extremely nutritious, good for your gut microbiome. I've only really just started using it, but I've noticed great benefits. Don't have to use it, it's up to you. Got a scoop of whey protein, scoop of cacao powder. Cacao is really good for boosting serotonin, makes you feel good. And I've got a banana in there, just because I want to try and get my carb intake up. Once again, this isn't the really relevant stuff, I'm just telling you what is in this so far. It's got 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1/4 of a lemon. You can use half a lemon, but I like 1/4 because it saves me money. It's because it's really good for digestion. But it's also amazing for helping you absorb the nutrients. A lot of people, they eat healthy foods and whatnot, but their body can't take in the nutrients, especially if it's a plant nutrient. Most plants, the nutrients in them aren't they're not bioavailable, so you can't actually, your body can't absorb them that great. Apple cider vinegar and lemon juice, or lemon, whatever, will actually help you do that. So always add apple cider vinegar and a lemon to your shake. And plus, it just makes it taste good. Adding these herbal powders I'm going to show you, if you don't add a lemon and apple cider vinegar, I'm not going to lie, it tastes like mud. Okay, so the first herbal powder that I'm going to show you that's going to help you feel better is Makuna Powder. I hope that's how you pronounce it. It's actually Makuna Prions. What it is a tropical legume. It's like a bean. You know how you have kidney beans and chickpeas, they're legumes? Get it? But one of the amazing things that this does, it reduces psychological stress and cortisol stress. Cortisol you'll produce through exercise, and also your fight or flight hormone. Small doses, it's not bad, but if it's elevated too much, it's real bad. But the cool thing it does, it boosts dopamine in the mesolimbic centers of your brain, which helps you, if there's a lack of dopamine in them areas of them regions of the brain, you can, some people feel a lack of pleasure within things, so a lack of pleasure within doing activities with friends or whatnot, or in eating things or whatever. As you know, dopamine's that a feel-good hormone, it just helps you feel better. And it's also incredibly good for gut health, the gut microbiome, digestion. Good. If you have been like looking into research on gut health lately and whatnot, they're now calling your digestive tract and your gut microbiome and whatnot the second brain. Your gut microbiome can affect you majorly mentally. If there's like inflammation in your gut, your body can perceive there being a threat, so you can go into fight or flight mode, causing like anxiety and whatnot. But there's not really a threat, it's internal, you just don't know that. Second herbal powder I'm going to show you is Damien Powder. I hope that's how you pronounce it. I think it's Damien Powder. Sorry. What this is an aphrodisiac. Once again, I hope I'm pronouncing that word correctly. Which, if you didn't know, increases sexual desire, sexual performance and whatnot. And you may be thinking, why do I want that? I'm trying to feel good mentally. But as you know, a lack of sex drive has been linked to a lack of motivation and a lack of oomph, that go-get-there feeling. It's actually pretty important. It also contains thiamine, which can act as an antidepressant for people. Another benefit, it helps the digestive tract break down fats and sugars. It also cleans the gut, and it also increases the absorption of nutrients. If you look at other people's, there may be anecdotal reports, but a lot of people say they get a flirty kind of feeling with it. And I've got to admit, since taking it, you kind of feel just happy and joyous. Okay, and the third and final health powder that I'm going to show you is Go-To Cola Powder. This is my favourite one. This is the one that I'd say is most important. It's called the herb of longevity. This can help people with insomnia, improves blood circulation to the brain. It's also been said to and noted to increase hair growth. So if you want more hair, I guess, try it. One thing, Buddhist monks have actually used this for meditation. And I can honestly say, and maybe purely anecdotal, which is just coming from me, it's helped my meditation a lot. If you're into meditating, I would seriously recommend taking this later in the day. The ways it helped me in my meditation was that when I'm meditating for an hour, sometimes my body would feel like, after a while, it'd feel like it wants to move, or there's an itch, or my body would sort of just do a certain response just to get me moving, it didn't want to stay still. But since using Go-To Cola, it doesn't do that. I'm able to just be at peace. And once again, I've cycled on and off it to see if this is legit or if it's just a load of old crap. But no, it's helped. So what I'd do, I'd add 1 teaspoon each of these to my shake that I had already shown you. This thing here. Blend it up and drink it. And if you want a good place to get herbal powders, this is from Indigo Herbs. This isn't sponsored by them. I really wish it was. I'd love to be a sponsor for Indigo Herbs. They do such a good wide range of herbal products, and they show all the benefits that have been researched with them. It's a really great site. If you want to check them out, I'll leave a link below. Last but not least, I just want to say, obviously scientific research in all these fields is always kind of lacking, so you're going to have to go by how you feel with it. It could be a I can't pronounce the words there. It could be a placebo effect, but then again, placebo effect has been shown to be incredibly powerful. It's a legit thing. So if it is placebo, then you know what? If it's benefiting you, keep doing it. And let's be real here. Science used to say that fat was really bad for you and that carbs were good. And now it seems to be flipping that carbs are bad for you and fats are bad. So yeah. And there you have it. One shake to boost your confidence, mental clarity, cognitive function, sexual desire. All in one, all done. I would show you me blending it, but I don't really think you need to see me blending it. This is legit. I did do this. It's not bought. It actually tastes really good. Adding cacao, it does taste good. It may have an acquired taste. That's all herbal powders seem to. But adding cacao and whey protein seems to give it a nice flavour. This acts as sort of another in-between meal for me. So you're best to take this at night time, really, just because of the sleep benefits. You could take it early in the day if you want to. You try that, I guess. But I would recommend taking it at night. So like I said with anything, everything's subject to individuality. These things may work for me. They may not work for you. As with anything, if there's a reaction to anything, don't keep doing it. Stop doing it. Just see how you feel it. But you can look at a lot of reviews, a lot of reports on these things. These herbs have had amazing benefits for people. And personally, I'm noticing them majorly. One thing that I've really noticed is that when I work out heavy and stuff, consecutive, I can't even say that word. When I work out heavy often, sometimes I can start waking up quite lethargic and I have to really motivate myself to go to the gym. It's like I really want to go anyway, but I have to really sort of jolt myself into gear. But one thing I've really noticed since drinking this, I wake up incredibly happy, which is a really good thing. I'm really happy about that. But I wake up really motivated and ready to go. And that sounds like one of them cheesy adverts like, drink this juice and you'll live forever. Yeah. But no, seriously, this has actually really helped me. It's good for my meditation. And it feels great. As with any herbal powders, cycle through them. So once I'm done with these, I'll try some different ones and see their benefits. There's a whole range of herbal things you can take. So there's lots of things you can do to improve your health, longevity and that. With nutrition, you'll be surprised how much nutrition has an impact on your mental clarity. So give it a try, leave comments below and please tell me what shakes you make and whatnot. And if there's anything that I should try, maybe there's other things that I don't know that I'm not aware of. I hope that you've learned something today. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the video, like the video, and yeah, be healthy, be happy.